Hi guys, I'm gonna make a turn into a bag with this pouch because I mentioned when I unboxed this that Chanel removed the tab over here to hook the strap in, and I will make a hole in here guys. And I do have some items that I had when I make another bag. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Guys, it looks like this. I got this one an Amazon website long time ago when I turned into pouch some of my bag that I purchased from Chanel. So yeah, you can use this one. Like I mentioned that I'm gonna make a guys, this side a hole to attach those rings. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna looks like. After that, they only have 3 left for this, so I'm gonna probably only make bag for the red one, and I will buy another more of this to make for this one. For time being, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and there it is. So guys, I use these tools by the way to make a hole for this pouch, and there it is guys. It's really hard, just keep twisting it, and if it's still not, if you have make up this part already have a hole, just use a scissor to push more. So guys, I push the screw first so it's easy for me to screw these two together. So as you can see, there's one over here. Now I'm gonna start this. Oh, let me cut this part over here one sec. Keep twisting until it's tight enough. I guess it's, see, I pull this one, it's tight enough, it's good enough guys, and you can twist that one as well. So guys, it's finally done. This is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna put the chain. So guys, this is the chain that I attach now. So you can see it's really cute. Oops, oops.